everyone. Back today with my most recent journal that I've finished off. It's just simply called Winter because as obviously winter's approaching and I wanted to make a few winter journals. Not so much Christmas, sort of trying to pretend that's not existing just yet, but I like a winter journal because I thought it gets you in the mood towards Christmas and you can carry on using them after Christmas, which is always a bonus. So I've made this one today in a traveller's notebook size. I think it's 8 1/4 times 4 1/2 or 4 1/4. I can never remember what I do these at. It's got 56 pages, I think, front to back, but I will list everything below properly. And I've used it using a gorgeous kit called A Winter's Tale. It's from Artymaze and it has to be one of my favourite kits to work with. I did use this kit last year and I will be using it for many years to come because I just love it. It's just so crisp and fresh and it just screams winter. So the front of my cover, I've done a little what I call a winter hare. It's printed, no, it's actually a piece of fabric that I picked up recently. And I've just collaged it up. I've made it out of craft tex. It's got some fabric underneath and I've put on it, a bit hard to see really, I don't know if the camera picks it up. It's like a netting but it looks like snowflakes. I think Tina from Hummingbird Tales sent me this and I love it and I've never seen it anywhere, but I just think it's lovely. It just looks like snow. I've just put a little linen piece placemat underneath that, and then it's got some corrugated card which I've just put some pom-pom trim and this little bunny lace which I love. It's just like little bunnies, and a little Tim Holtz, I don't know what you call these, little thing that says winter. It's got a simple seam closure because I like these, and just as you grow it just expands with it. I've just done a little front pocket, make sure I'm in frame. The usual am I not in frame saga on my videos. Right, I've done a little pocket where I've used I think all the papers in here is A Winter's Tale, and I've used some of the papers to make a pocket, and I've just put a little die cut on which I've sprinkled with some I think it's called fairy dust to make it look like snow. There's journaling card and some paper. How beautiful is this little owl? I've just put a little winter bird, one of the Tim Holtz Christmas word things I've got. I've had them lying about for 12 months, I thought I'd better start using them. Just put a little organza trim in a very sort of ice blue colour. It's very delicate. But you know I like to add texture to my journals. Here I've just put some music paper and some little sentiments, chill airs and wintry winds. And already it's made me feel cold and wintry. Just got another little fabric pocket here with some organza trim and cheesecloth, some tags, a die cut which I do need to stick down, a little bit of scrap paper. I've got a little one of Gibbid's letter from the bookmaker. It just tells you if this journal is a gift for somebody or if you don't really know how to use them or what you want to use it for. It just gives you some little ideas. These beautiful stags, aren't they gorgeous? I just love these, and I love the colours in this. They are sort of colours I sort of love anyway, but I just think blue and white always makes me think of snow and winter. Got a little pom-pom trim down the side. Edith Holden page. These are from the winter, the December one, mistletoe. I have done sprayed a few pages to add a little bit more blue and a little bit more interest. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but they're a bit shimmery because I've sprayed some like of a pewter distress spray on top of them. Plenty of pages for writing in this journal because I always think winter nice to journal your winter walks or Christmas list. Like I said, it's not specifically a Christmas journal. I'd say it's more of a winter / Christmas, but obviously winter, you can use it as a December daily. Got a little postcard in it. I picked these up when I was in Krakow recently in Poland, and I just thought they were lovely, and I love the colours of them. And I knew I was making some winter journals, so I just picked up a few to go in my journals. I've made, these are all using the same papers. I've just got a little pocket at the bottom, which I've just collaged up with some trims and music paper. Little envelope, which I will put some little bits in, haven't quite, and a tag. And love this little owl here, it says create your own magic. It's just beautiful, I love owls. Doily. Made another little, and I've just realised, but I will add to these. I haven't put any ribbon on my tags because I was filming this morning and I was just in a rush to get it done because I couldn't be bothered getting all my setup out. I thought, I've just done my video for the 10 crafty questions, so I'll upload that as well. So I thought while I had my camera and everything set up, I'd just get this one done. Little pocket at the back with an owl on, which also says create your own magic. More journaling space on the back of that, and I've put these in. I mean, you can put these in your page as well, but I've just left it like that for journaling. Like I said, this digital kit, it's called A Winter's Tale, and it's so beautiful to work with, and there's so much in it. In fact, there's that much, I've printed that much off. I've started another one, but that's not finished yet. Another page with Edith Holden, some more distressed pages in blues. A lovely little squirrel eating his nut. Not sure if I've lost, no. God, filming and trying to I film obviously using my iPhone and my watch, and it goes off half the time, and I don't know if it's going off because I've stopped filming or, by now you know how professional I am on these videos. Some line paper, blank paper for adding your own Christmas stuff, pictures. Centre is this gorgeous picture of a wood scene, little bunnies, had me at bunnies and hares, gorgeous stag, snow. As a few of you know, winter is actually one of my favourite seasons along with autumn. I just love it. I just love the coldness of it. I love frost, I love snow. Not a summer person, but this is really my time of year. A little Tim Holtz die cut, which Tina sent me. I've put in a few tags. Like I said, I will put ribbons through these tags. I hadn't realised that I hadn't done it. Some little journaling cards. Other side of that, Edith Holden. Plenty more writing space and a doily. And another owl. What I love about this journal is so many lovely owls in it, and I'm partial to an owl. A journaling card here which I've just done under with an altered paper clip, where I've put a little picture of an owl and some fabric and what are these called? Oh, got my mind. Cheesecloth things. Just add a little bit of text and a bit of interest to the page. Here I've just made a little, this is out of one of the envelopes, but I've just made a little more journaling space with it. I put a little envelope where you can tuck little bits in. It's just some extra, this time of year, it's nice to jot notes down, tick Christmas lists off. I know I keep saying I'm not ready for that C word yet, but it's all in the shops, so I guess it is coming. A beautiful little fox here with like a mountain behind. I love that page. Another page I've just inked up with different shades of blues, some organza ribbon, a little tuck spot here where I've just put a little bit more writing paper in. The other side of the Edith Holden, and here I've made I've just hung it over actually. I've just made a little from these, I forget what they're called, the envelopes. I know I got it from Denise's shop, A Tattered Dream, and I bought them last year, something else I bought and forgot to use, so I thought I'm going to use them now. Here you can just put little notes for Christmas in, little secret bits that you want to keep. The front I've just covered with one of the cards from the Winter's Tale kit, which says again, create your own magic, and I've just put the Wonder of Winter on. I've covered it over with some of that netting that looks like snow, a little bit of Edith Holden underneath, and then it's got another little owl picture. Like I said, there's space here to tuck papers in. I've done a little pocket here that says trees with icicles, and just put a couple of die cuts in that I've sprinkled to make it look like snow on a trees. A couple of journaling cards with rabbits on. And the back of it has some space for writing, and it's also got a tuck spot in. And that just hangs over like so. Another little pocket here which I've got a snowflake on with some journaling cards and a tag. Coming towards the end of it. Oh, there is a little stag on that side as well. Some more writing space. And another lovely winter scene with some birds on. Here at the back I've just made a little pocket which has a tuck, secret tuck where you can put your journaling cards in, and another picture of an owl and some trim. That's basically it. As I've said, I've just also filmed my 10 crafty questions, which I will upload after this one. This journal is for sale, and I'll be putting it into my Etsy shop later today if anybody's interested. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.